Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 1019 Lochland Road, Geneva, New York, on beautiful Seneca Lake.
This is an extremely rare waterfront home site with over 100 feet of frontage and 1.5 acres. This is so spectacular.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
With approximately 1.5 acres, you will certainly enjoy nature with privacy. Situated on the west side of Seneca Lake, this estate-sized waterfront lot has dramatic views to the north, east, and south. It will take your breath away.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant master suite with trade ceilings? The possibilities are endless. There's nothing like waterfront living. With approximately 102 feet of pristine waterfront. Great for summertime fun with panoramic lake views. Seneca Lake has crystal clear ocean blue water that instantly calms your soul.
You could have it all in your Seneca Lake dream home. This property is located in the heart of wine country. Steps away is the Geneva Country Club, fine hotels including Geneva on the Lake and Belhurst Castle. Here we are at the north end of beautiful Seneca Lake with panoramic views and the city of Geneva.
Could you imagine living here in your Seneca Lake dream home? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1019 Lochland Road in Geneva.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.